So Cubot has announced its latest device called the Cubot X90, and it's actually one of the best feature-packed and elegant devices that you can get your hands on if you want. And also with just a thickness of 9.35 millimeters and a weight of just 207 grams, this device is also one of the thinnest and lightest smartphones in the market. The device is offered in green and black colorways with unique designs, and in terms of specs, the Cubot X90 has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. And having in mind that this display is actually curved, guys, it's curved on both sides, which is very nice, and it's a punch hole display. The phone is powered by the Helio G99, which isn't the best 4G mobile processor, but it's still quite a very powerful processor, paired with 16GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, which is impressive. The device also ships with the latest Android 14 and is the stock version, so you'll be getting the latest security updates, and there'll be absolutely no bloatware on this device that would unnecessarily occupy space. So at the back of the phone is a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 100MP phase detection autofocus main lens that supports up to 10x zoom, followed by a 16MP wide angle lens, a 5MP macro lens, and a 0.3MP additional lens. Also at the back is a 1A LED flash, while the front facing camera is 32MP. The device packs a moderate 5100 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging, which is very nice. So other features of the phone includes NFC support, which is great. It has an in-display optical fingerprint sensor. It supports Bluetooth 5.2, dual 4G network, OTG, sensors like accelerometer, magnetic sensor, gyroscope are all included, and the device features stereo speakers. So these are just some of the top features of the Cubot X90. So what are your thoughts about the Cubot X90? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.